Good morning, everybody. Here in the Jaxxon show, we have to talk with you about a brand new finding of scientists that were surprised to see that the Himalaya mountains are visible from Kathmandu for the first time in 40 years. And they surveyed it, they researched it, and they came to a very amazing conclusion. Mountains are a hoax. The flat earth movement might be right that we are living on a flat earth, as mountains are only a perception of our minds and are not real. As well as many people say, why can we see ships only if they come into a certain distance? That has the same reason. We are talking here about air density. Mountains are well known to have a very thin air. Now, this means actually they are very flat. They are not so high as many people think. The only thing is they reflect in the thin air and display as mountains. As well as if you see on the ocean a ship approaching coast and suddenly you see only the mast, it is because the air outside on the ocean is thick. If there's something thick, we cannot see it. Thin air causes reflections in the air, and so we see the mountains as mountains. Actually, they are areas of very thin air. You have heard that mountaineers have more and more problems to get closer to the summit because the air is getting thicker. They are actually flat areas where the forecoming of people gets so massively difficult that they have to fight to get into the center of this area, the most air thinnest point. You might say now, what is that we see these people climbing up? Because these people reflect also in the air. Therefore, you do actually not see a person climbing on a mountain, but a person finding his way to an area with the thinnest air. So, the scientists have found out now that mountains are a hoax. On the water in the ocean, you see the air is very thick, so we cannot see that. People traveling over water get also nothing else to see because of the thick air. Mountains are a hoax. The earth is really flat.